Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see about PSUR section 4 that talks about changes to RSI. So RSI, the reference safety information. So for that particular product we need to check what is the RSI. Some product, medicinal product, in the company marketing authorization holder, they might be having in a RSI in a CCDS format, company core data sheet format. Some very established product, if it is a very old generic or something, this company may have a different types of RSI, like product circular, fusion circular, worldwide fusion circular. There are different types they would have been maintaining since many decades. What RSI you are using? Sometimes some company would be using SMPC. So whatever the reference safety information you are using to prepare a PSUR, that is your label, that is your RSI, that can be used uh, you know in this particular section. And we need to understand during your interval how many times or whatever the changes has been made to the particular RSI. That is the scope of this particular section. In this section also you need to focus only the significant changes made. So there were so many administrative and so many other changes would have been made usually. So but when you are describing this particular section, you need to focus only on the significant changes part. What could be the significant change? It could be contraindications or any warnings and precautions, ADR sections, any overdose, and any drug interaction. So if those sections, if there are some changes are happened, obviously that is considered as a significant safety changes. So those things need to be captured in this particular section. And also if you come across any important findings from ongoing and completed CTs, based on that, if there are some changes had been made in the RSI, so that also need to be captured. In addition, there is a significant non-clinical findings also. Example, carcinogenicity, any other toxicological based on any safety. If the RSI is being revised, so that information also need to be captured in this particular section. So this is as per the, and you can add the at DLP data log point what RSI was effective during that DLP, that RSI clean copy to be attached as a appendix. This is the guideline requirement. As per ICH, what they are talking about is no need to add the track changes version. So some companies might be practicing that in that particular appendix, in appendix 1 they would be adding a clean version. In appendix 1.1 they would be adding a annotated version, they call track changes. That is not needed actually as per the ICH. Just the clean version of appendix can be added in this particular section. So the take home message is interval changes alone to be added, and these are all the important sections, and the different important details, what information can go that made the RSI change. So that information need to be captured in this particular section. So we will see other sections in the next class. Thank you.